Look at the box comparison. Home Depot definitely has a nicer box than Ferguson's. I know that doesn't matter. Let's get to the guts. Oh, hey, did you hit the like and the follow? Because this is gonna be good. Let's start with Home Depot. First off, Home Depot's supplying an all plastic drain. Let's check out Ferguson's. All metal. Why is this important? Plastic's more vulnerable to leaking and harder to install. Let's check out Home Depot's handles. Right off the bat, it is made of plastic. They have an integrated plastic supply line. The handle is secured by a plastic little clip flange. And then inside right here, you can see, take the handle here, this is all made of plastic as well. Let's head over to Fergie. All right, you can see right off the bat, this is all copper. This is all solid brass right here. Let's check out the handle here. This is secured by a screw versus the plastic clip. And the cartridge is secured into a solid piece of brass. Now we're talking spouts. Home Depot versus Ferguson. Not liking this. Check this out. Home Depot's got an integrated feed supply line, feeling really cheap. As you can see, Home Depot's got a very thin shank here. This is what secures the faucet. For me, this makes it more difficult to tighten down properly. Whereas Ferguson's spout has a much bigger shank, making it a lot more easier to install and giving it that stability. Conclusion, I think I'll leave it to you. Waiting for your comments.